Oh, way to go. Darlinghurst looking for the lead, moving up. China Star, Xiamo Familia, Haywire joining them now. It's now Haywire in the early part, followed by Xiamo Familia, Darlinghurst. Alongside Darlinghurst, China Star, then followed by Don Alejandro. Four lengths back now to Epira, or moving up now Manila's Gemma. Into the back they travel, Haywire, China Star in between horses. And Darlinghurst running by the wheel, 2 lengths back in fourth, Xiamo Familia. Alain coming up in fifth is Don Alejandro in sixth position by some for Manila's Gem. Here comes Favorite Chanel, Bloodline Pira, long way back to Queen's King. Inside the last 600, China Star still leading the pack by a length, followed by Haywire, Don Alejandro, Xiamo Familia, Manila's Gem on the outside. As they turn for home, China Star still in front, and Manila's Gem on the outside. Favorite Chanel is running by Rula. It's now Manila's Gem from the outside, followed by China Star, and finally it's Manila's Gem, China Star, Don Alejandro, Favorite Chanel, Xiamo Familia.
Second choice ba siya? O nalimado na?
We'll see.
Hindi,
Hindi.
second choice pa rin.
100